Hi there, welcome to BITBEE. In this chapter, we will explore about bubble sort algorithm. I have made two parts on bubble sort. In the first part, we will explore about how the bubble sort algorithm works, and in the second part, we will implement the bubble sort and we will explore about its time complexity. Please hit the bell icon if you are not yet subscribed to BITBEE. Your support motivates us lot to make more videos. Thank you. To demonstrate bubble sort, let's take an array. This array contains numbers from 10 to 50, but they are in unsorted order. Once we finish the sorting, the array will be looks like this. Now this array is in ascending order. Let's reset it to original. Now I am representing this array into bubbles for better visualization. Before sorting these bubbles, let's try to understand what is sorting algorithms and steps in that. Sorting algorithm repeatedly steps through the list or the given array in the first step. And at each step or iteration, it compares the adjacent elements and swaps them if they are in the wrong order. The first and second step keeps repeating until the entire array is sorted. This algorithm gets its name because of elements keep bubbling towards end or begin at each repetition. You can see in the animation how the adjacent elements were compared. Now let's start demonstrating the algorithm. We will start with the very first iteration. The first two adjacent elements 30 and 20 are compared to each other and they are swapped because they are in the wrong order. That is 20 is less than 30. The next comparison is between 30 and 50 and they are already in sorting order and there will be no swapping here. The next comparison is between 50 and 40. Since 40 is less than 50, they will get swapped. The next comparison is between 50 and 10. Since 10 is lesser than 50, they will get swapped. If you observe at the end of the iteration, 50 bubbles out towards the end. Now let's step into the second iteration. Again, first two elements 20 and 30 were compared to each other. As they are already in the sorting order, they will not get swapped. Same repeats for the 30 and 40 also. Coming to the next pair, that is 40 and 10, they are not in the sorting order and they will be swapped. And at the end, even the 50 is in its right position, still this algorithm compares 40 and 50. That is one of the disadvantages of this bubble sort. So the same iterations and the comparison of the adjacent elements continues until the complete list is sorted. Now all the iterations and comparisons were completed and the list is sorted. Now let's recall all the previous iterations. This is all about bubble sort algorithm, and in our next tutorial we will try to implement this using Java and Python. Thanks for watching and happy learning. Thank you.